So welcome back to yet another PUMA video on how to. And yes, in the last video we did show how to remove the gear knob and this here. So yeah, now we want to continue with the digital cluster control, climate control. So first off, I believe I need to take this one out. So let me unscrew this really fast, and then we continue. This one it's kind of always a big problem for me. Usually something I break, but use the plastics. I can't stress out how important use of this plastic is, because yeah, I didn't do it before, but last few cars I started using it. So you need to take out this. It is just click. So let's see what's holding it right now. It's always some clip somewhere. Basically, let me see the clip. I believe it's somewhere over here or here, or so basically the strongest point is over here. I made a mistake, so you can see here, and there is this part over here. So continuing on, I'm not really sure if I even had to remove that, but let's see. For this climate control, it should be just pull out on this side and this side as well. So yeah, it is just pull it out. And on the back there is some electronics that you need to, these connectors that you need to take out, and it's always on the downside. I don't know why not go on the upside, so it would be a much more easier task to do it. It would be much more easier if it was from upside, but let's see if we can turn this around a little bit so you can check out a little bit better. So here, this one should be, yeah, so this one is from upside, but it's really hard to get to it, and this one as well. So this one, it's gonna be, yeah, not so hard to take out. So, and basically that's the climate control for PUMA. If you need just to take it out, so there is 4, I believe it's Torx 25, something like that. And here you have, if you have problems with that climate control, so yeah, you can easy change it. This, but I don't know, it's newer car, so should be okay for some time. Yeah, that's about that for the climate control. Rest we have here for the charging of mobile phone, and I'm not really sure if it's pinned anywhere or it's probably just pull out. I would assume it is. Yeah, it is just to pull out. No screws, anything, as far as I can see. This ambient light here, I'm not really sure. For this ambient light, yeah, so it does go like this. So first turn in and then click over here, but it's a really small one, so yeah, I just need to push something inside of here. But let's see, this is the antenna for the phone, so let's unplug that. Should be just click and take out. So antenna for the unplugging, here USB port, and here's the plug for charging your mobile phone. What else we have here? So 12 volt is on this side, and this one is always kind of tricky because it's kind of strong. So let me take it out. Yeah, for this one you should use a screwdriver because this one is kind of hard. It's always kind of so hard to click. So that's that, and one more is left, and that one is the USB, and this one is again as well, it's kind of tricky to take out. So you need to click this side and other side as well. So let me remove it because you need 2 hands for this. So, and I'm kind of lazy to take the, so let me take it out. So basically you just take the screwdriver and click on this side and little bit on this side and just pull out, or again you can, yeah, that's the easiest way, I believe. Not really 100% sure. And here we have the charging station for the mobile phone. Here is the antenna for the key. Without this one your key won't work, and that's kind of big deal. So this PUMA had lots of equipment. So it's a ST Line X. So all the goodies are here. So here is the charging station for the mobile phone. So that's let me see how this goes out. Not really sure, I didn't ever took this one out, but it's probably something to do with this here. Don't think it's over here. I know these here bends, so it might be that one, but probably something to do with this here. Move this over here. So yeah, it is. You just move these carefully a little bit on the right and then pull out the charging station all in all. So let's see the numbers here. L1TT. So this might be also for Fiesta or Focus. I don't think they make 5 different of these. So that's about that for this one. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna take the next, probably it's gonna be the full radio removal and this for the hand rest. So there is probably some stuff more to take out, and then for the first time we're gonna remove the airbags. But I do believe, still not 100% sure, but I believe these airbags are same, if not same, similar to Fiesta. So we will see that when we come to that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow. Help me grow the channel, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one, see you.